Have you ever seen a boat made out of Lego? I built this one by myself, and it's even remote controlled. Let me show you how it works, but first, let me explain how it all started. Sorry if I'm talking a little funny, I just got some braces, so yeah. I've always liked boats. I was lucky enough to visit several boat factories to see how they are built, including Basscat and Vexus. You can find videos on those tours on my channel, so you can see the factories too. And like most kids, I love Legos too. So I set out to make my own Lego boat. Lego has made boat hulls for various kits. This is me at Legoland playing with them. I was able to find a used boat hull on Bricklink. Not sponsored, by the way. I added my own Lego blocks, gears, and motor to tinker and test different designs. I started testing them in my bathtub. And when they passed that test, I would test them in ponds for more room to maneuver and go faster. When the weather got warmer, I was able to test designs in our local pool. Each time, I figured out what worked and what didn't. Whoa! That is way on the side. I've built many designs on 2 different sized hulls and experimented with lots of propulsion and steering systems, but you'll see in this video are just a few. When something didn't work well, it wasn't a failure, it was an opportunity to learn. For instance, my regular Lego motor would often overheat on hot days, and like most boat designers, I always wanted it to go faster. So, I added a Buwizz motor that was stronger and improved my design. Still not sponsored. Speaking of motors, let me show you my current setup. I named this boat the Clearwater, and it has 3 motors. The first motor is the Buwizz motor, which drives the propeller. I had the 3D printer propeller because the standard Lego prop was too small, and I wanted it to go faster. The Buwizz motor is connected to this drive system, which turns the prop. It can turn forwards or backwards, and it has variable speed. I control it using the Buwizz app. That app also controls the second motor, which is for steering. It's a standard Lego motor that drives gears, which can rotate the prop in different directions, giving the thrust a different angle relative to the boat. This lets me steer it, and I can see which way it's pointing with this direction indicator at the top. I also added Searchlights, and I control which way they point with a third motor that is controlled by this remote. The lights, motor, and remote are all Lego Technic-compatible parts. The rest of the parts are cargo holds, supports, and decorations. This is the flag of my micronation, the Free Republic of Eastry. I had to make sure the weight of everything stayed balanced so that the boat floats evenly. Sometimes I add ballast to keep the center of mass in the center of the hull. Coins work well for this. I've also tested it in some lakes in Colorado. The water was cold, but it was worth it. It also attracted lots of questions from others who had fun with it too. Even the moose were interested. So I decided to make this video to share it with everybody. If you like this video, check out my channel for other adventures. I would love to have you as a subscriber and hear your comments and questions. Every time you hit like, comment, or subscribe, it helps more people see my videos and makes more adventures possible. If you've made a Lego boat or are now inspired to build one, I'd love to hear about them. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next adventure!